Ever look in the mirror and wonder where you went in your relationship? You start out as yourself, but slowly, your world revolves around your partner, their shows, their friends, their plans. Before you know it, you're a supporting character in your own life. We're taught to be nurturing, but sometimes that means we lose sight of our own dreams and quirks. Here's the truth. You're not just someone's partner. You're a whole, unique person. If you've ever felt lost in love, you're not alone, and you can find your way back. Let's talk about how to reclaim your identity and happiness, starting now. 1. Reclaim your hobbies. First step, bring back your passions. Remember what you loved before the relationship? Painting, hiking, writing, whatever it was, it's time to revive it. Your hobbies are what make you, you. Don't let excuses like no time or my partner doesn't like it stop you. You make time for what matters and you matter. Separate interests don't create distance. They make you more interesting. Think of your relationship as a shared garden, but you need your own secret garden too. When you nurture your own soul, you show up as a better partner. This week, do something just for you. Pick up that guitar, take that class, see that movie. It might feel weird at first, but it's not selfish. It's self-love. Investing in your passion says, I matter, my joy matters. That confidence? It's magnetic. Don't let your spark fade, keep it alive. Go get 'em. 2. Don't ditch your friends. Next up, don't forget your friends. They knew you before your relationship and keep you grounded in who you are. It's easy to get lost in the couple bubble, but your friends are your anchors. They offer perspective, support, and remind you of your strengths. Nurturing friendships isn't betraying your relationship. It's essential for your well-being. Make time for your squad call, text, plan that brunch. Protect that time fiercely. You can be in love and still be a loyal friend. Healthy partners encourage strong friendships. These relationships often outlast jobs, apartments, even romances. When you invest in your friendships, you invest in yourself. Don't let them fade. Water them and watch them bloom. Your friends are a core part of your identity. So assemble your Avengers. Stay connected to the people who make you, you. 3. Set and respect boundaries. Let's talk boundaries. Your secret superpower. Boundaries aren't walls, they're fences that protect your space and energy. They say, this is me and I deserve respect. Setting boundaries is loving, for you and your relationship. It's about communicating your needs, big or small. Without boundaries, resentment grows. Every time you say yes when you mean no, you plant seeds of bitterness. Boundaries keep things healthy and honest. Communicate them clearly and kindly. Use I statements, not blame. A partner who respects you will respect your boundaries. If they don't, that's a red flag. Start small. Where do you feel squished? Set one new boundary this week. Practice saying it out loud. Protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's essential. Boundaries help you stay whole, not just a reflection of your relationship. You're a person first. Own it. 4. Check in emotionally. Time for an emotional check-in. How often do you really ask yourself, how am I feeling? In relationships, it's easy to mirror your partner's mood and lose track of your own. Think of it as your personal weather report. Are you sunny, stormy, or foggy inside? Take 5 minutes daily to check in with yourself. Journaling helps. Just jot down a few feelings. Notice what fills your cup and what drains it. This self-awareness keeps you anchored in your own experience. When you know how you feel, you can care for yourself and communicate better. Say, I'm drained, I need a quiet night, instead of bottling it up. Emotional check-ins aren't self-indulgent. They're how you steer your own ship. Don't lose your voice in the noise. Stay tuned to your own frequency. 5. Speak up authentically. Let's talk real communication. It's not just about dinner plans. It's about sharing your true thoughts and feelings. Don't hide your opinions to keep the peace. Every time you swallow your truth, you lose a piece of yourself. Practice speaking up. Actually, I'd rather watch a comedy, or I'm thinking about going back to school. Let your partner see the real, unfiltered you. Vulnerability is scary, but it's the path to real intimacy. A healthy relationship is a safe space for honesty. If you're always censoring yourself, something's off. Your voice matters. Don't silence it. True connection comes from being seen as you are. Use your voice to keep your identity strong. 6. Practice self-care religiously. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's survival. It's more than bubble baths, it's protecting your energy, peace, and health. In relationships, it's easy to put yourself last. But if you're running on empty, you can't show up for anyone, not even yourself. Self-care is a non-negotiable, not an afterthought. Schedule it like any important appointment. Find what truly recharges you. Solitude, friends, creativity, nature. Make it part of your routine. Self-care reinforces your self-worth, independent of your relationship. When you care for yourself, you're a better partner in person. A good partner will support your self-care. Drop the guilt. Self-care is the most selfless thing you can do for your relationship. Keep your cup full. 7. Reassess and grow independently. Growth doesn't stop when you're in a relationship. You're a work in progress, keep evolving independently. Ask yourself, am I learning, challenging myself, setting personal goals? Pursue things just for you, learn a language, start a side hustle, join a club. Personal growth keeps your identity strong and your life interesting. It's not about outgrowing your partner, it's about becoming your best self. When both partners grow, the relationship stays fresh and exciting. Don't be afraid to have goals outside your relationship. Your evolution is your responsibility. Your relationship should be a safe harbor, not a cage. Keep learning, exploring, and growing. You're the driver of your own life with a great co-pilot. Stay curious, stay you. That's a wrap. Remember, losing yourself in love isn't love. It's forgetting to love yourself first. The best relationships are made of two whole people, not two halves. Your wholeness is your greatest asset. This is a journey. Keep checking in, speaking up, and showing up for yourself. You deserve a life rich with your own passions, friends, and dreams, while sharing love with someone who celebrates all of you. You can have both. If this resonated, drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay true to you.